Hello everyone, welcome to SMS YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about how to write unit plan. You can see here my screen, and this is my IGNOU logo, and you can write here right side college or study center name, and write here name, enrollment number, name of the school, subject, class, and last name of the unit and chapter. And you can see here some columns like serial number, subunits, number of periods, specific learning objectives, teaching learning activities, teaching learning resource, method, evaluation. And I am participated this unit as two part. First one is the geographical features of India. I took one period for this topic, and my specific learning objectives are students will enable to know the geographical features of India. Another is develop the signification of the location. And next, teaching learning activities are imagination of situation, performs investigation, discussion in groups. Next, my teaching learning resources, it means TLM, maps, atlas, pictures, video, PPT. You use all or some also. And method is demonstration method. It's very good method to teach geography or political science or history, any art subjects. And next, last step is evaluation. Prepare a questionnaires about this topic. And next topic is, second topic is the living style of man in prehistoric period. Here also I am took one period, and the specific learning objectives are students will enable to know the living style of man in prehistoric period. Another is develop the signification of the location, and my teaching activities are explanation of the living style of man in prehistoric by using picture, TLM using maps, atlas, pictures, video, PPT, method also demonstration. Finally, you evaluate by some questionnaire. And last, you can see here any specific material and or adaptation for students with special needs. You can write some specific material or adaptation for CWSN handicapped students. You can write here some advices. And finally, you write here date and signature and remark suggestions by mentor, and take some suggestions by your mentor. Write here date and take signature of mentor. So this is the unit plan preparation method, and you can write so many unit plan in one unit. You can write subunits. So I took here 2 subunits in this unit. You can write more than 2 or 3, 4. How much that topic wants, you can write subunits and prepare 5 e-lesson plan for each subunits. So this is the process of teaching learning process. Thank you guys. I hope you can understand this class, and share my video and like and subscribe. Thank you.